Hi, I'm Rebecca, and I'm here to teach you some EFT tapping, emotional freedom technique, for when you have a lot of doubts and fears. Now, I have created an awesome program, kindergarten style easy, on how you can channel messages from your own guardian angel. However, lots of folks have some doubts and fears that they can't do it. And this is the quickest, easiest way to help you get ready to go. And your angels are waiting to talk to you. So what do? Tap on some acupressure points. Now, to make this simple, if you just do what I do and say what I say, it will be magic. You don't have to learn the science of acupressure points and EFT. So the first thing I want you to do is measure, think to yourself, do I have doubts and fears that I can channel messages from my own guardian angel? On a scale of 1 to 10, how much doubt or fear do you have that you just can't do it? 10 would be, whoa, I can't do it. 1 would be, I'm not even watching this video. So here we go. We first tap right here. This is for self-sabotage. And repeat after me. Now you got your rating, right? 1 to 10. That's important. So we can tell when it diminishes. Repeat after me. Even though I have doubts and fears that I can channel, I love and accept myself. Even if I'm never able to do it, I love and accept myself. My angels love me. Even though I have doubts and fears, and it helps you just repeat after me, I love and accept myself. Take a deep breath in and then go to the very top of your head. There's 4 meridians, whoopsie, that come together right here. Doubts and fears. Then you're going to go to the beginning of your eyebrow, doubts and fears. Side of the eye, doubts and fears. Under the eye, doubts and fears. Under the nose, doubts and fears. Under the lip, doubts and fears. Collarbone, doubts and fears. And then underneath the armpit, I have doubts and fears. Okay. So now just tune in to the intensity, how high your doubts were when you started. And look at it now. Do you feel a little bit more hopeful? Let's do some more. EFT. Thank you, Gary Craig. Love you forever and ever. Even though I still have doubts that I can channel my angel. Repeat this after me. It won't work if you just look and admire my pretty pink sweater, okay? Even though I have doubts, I don't think I can do it. Repeat that. I love and accept myself. I really don't think I can do it. And then go to the top of the head. I don't think I can do it. And here's something that comes up. Tap right here. Don't you have to be real special to be able to channel? I don't see how I can do it. I'm just a regular person. I don't think I can do it. I have too many doubts. I have too many fears. I don't think I can channel angels. Take a deep breath in and out. And I just want to interrupt you right now to tell you that I guarantee that your guardian angel or angels are jumping up and down with excitement, thinking about you, asking them for guidance in a real concrete way that you can actually get responses and messages. And with this process, which is in writing, I'll put a link below so you can click there and get it for yourself, the whole process. And It will be so easy, especially when you get this doubts and fears out of the way. So if you could put in a positive choice, thank you, Dr. Carrington. I love you forever. What positive choice might that be for you? Yeah, I have doubts and fears, but if other people can do it, I can do it. You don't need to be perfect to bring in messages from your guardian angels who think you're perfect anyway. You can do it. So a positive choice for you might be, even though I may have some doubts and fears, I choose to allow that I can do it. So let's tap that in, okay? Right here. Even though I have doubts and fears, repeat after me, I choose to allow that I can do it. I can start off easy. Rebecca will show me how, and I sure will. I choose to allow that I could do it. I think I can. I'll follow the instructions. I'm releasing some of these doubts. I'm releasing some of these fears. I'm feeling like I can do it. I can follow directions and it will be easy. Now, by the way I teach it is kindergarten style, easy. If you give me a left brain engineer and he or she does what I ask them to do with my scientific method of channeling, they'll be hanging out a psychic shingle within 2 months. So go ahead and measure your intensity rating now. How does it feel? Scale of 1 to 10 as far as your doubts and fears. Are you feeling more hopeful? You know, beloved, you only need faith as a grain of mustard seed. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel and ding the bell and you'll get a notification when I make a new instructional video. And there'll be a link below that you can click on if you don't have it already, my easy kindergarten style way to channel your own guardian angel, get your own messages. I'm Rebecca. I want to leave my email down there because when you do it, you start doing it, you're going to be so happy and so full of light. You know, when you hang around with angels, you become so full of light. Actually, they're always around you. And when you start to acknowledge them, they're just waiting to be of assistance to you. I promise. I'm Rebecca Marina, and I look forward to hearing from you and your angels. Oh my goodness. Is it improper to say they're about to pee in their pants with excitement? Yay! You're going to do great. I know you will.